नामनेचो एक्टर ओम पुरी शुक्रारा संवसाराक अंतरलो। काळजाच्या खर आताकान ताका 66 वर्सांचेर मरण आयलें। ताणें बॉलिवूड, पाकिस्तानी, ब्रिटीश तशेंच हॉलिवूड फिल्मां केल्यांत। ताका पद्मश्री फावो जाल्ली। कितलेशेच नॅशनल फिल्म अवॉर्डूय ताणें घेतल्यात। मुंबय अंधेरी ताच्या घरात ताणें निमणो सांस घेतलो। पोस्टमॉर्टमाक जाल्या उपरांत ओम पुरीचेर निमणे संस्कार जातले। बॉलिवूड सिनेमाक हो एक मोठो लॉस। आल पर्वरी स्पोर्ट्स अँड कल्चरल क्लबाच्या ऑल गोवा ओपन रॅपीड चॅस सर्तीत आंतरराष्ट्रीय मळावेलो गोंयचो तरणाटो रितवीज परब सर्त जिखलो। आल पर्वरी स्पोर्ट्स अँड कल्चरल क्लबाच्या 25व्या वर्सुकी दिसा निमतान सर्त दवरिल्ली। सर्तीत वाटे 230 सर्तक वांटेकार जाल्ले। आय लीगाची तयारी करपाक जाय तितलो वेळ मेळूंक ना म्हणून चर्चिल ब्रदर्स पंगडाचो कोच आल्फ्रेड फर्नांडीस म्हणटा। उक्तावणाच्या मॅचीत आयतारा चर्चिल कोलकातात वचून खडेकाट मोहन बागानाड खेळटलो।
दिल्ली हायकोर्टान AIFFक चर्चिल ब्रदर्साक आय लीग सर्तींत परत घे म्हूण सांगतकेच रोखडोच आय लीग सुरू जावपा कडेन पावला। आयतारा चर्चिल ब्रदर्स 3 वर्सां उपरांत परत एकदां आय लीगांत खेळटलो। पूण प्रॉब्लेम एकूच, लिगा खातीर कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह पंगड उबारपाक चर्चिलाक टायम कमी पडला।
Last when we got the confirmation from AIFF, it was very late, but still we can't be complaining about it. So our preparation has been going well. Only thing, the problem was we do not get enough time to prepare it properly. So being the first match with the champion club, so it is a crucial test for the players, and with the set of players, young and experienced one, we will put our best foot forward.
पंगडान लिगांत खेळपा खातीर प्लान तयार केला आनी त्या प्रमाणे भुरगे खेळटले अशें व्यवस्थापक डॅन्झी फेराव म्हणटा।
So we know we had no time, we had limited time, so whatever we have, we had to go with this. So I think Mohun Bagan is also a good side, and we have to go according to the plan.
Call for this press conference, first of all, to thank all the fans, well-wishers and football lovers of Goa, because Churchill Brothers is come back after a big fight in the Delhi High Court, and moreover in such a short time we have to make a team for the National League. So without your support, your love, nothing seems to be possible, and we actually wanted to take the press conference a week back, but just that everything is happening on such a short note, to get the players, because all the players which we have got on loan and from other clubs, they were free only from the first. So for a team to come together, it's a lot of hard work. They have to gel well, and in a span of just I think 15 days, we are trying to make the best out of Churchill Brothers by giving a platform to Goa and goals.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस
घेऊया एक ब्रेक।